What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna try and get this thing running. It's a 1997 Ford F350 dually. Was a service truck with a little bucket mover on the back. Now it's not. I know it needs a starter and batteries, which I have. That's all I really know about it. There's water in the headlight. That's cool. It's got a 7.3 turbo diesel. I already tried to start it, and the starter's really bad. Like you just romp, 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 romp. So yeah, let's put a new starter on it and put in these new batteries and see if it does anything. Okay, I do. This truck is, yeah, one of those trucks. There's definitely like a big crack in the bell housing. Like I'm looking at it. Which is amazing. Okay, yeah. Nice. That's why they put a leaf spring right there. So it'll hold your stuff. Okay, sweet. We got both of the wires off. This big old starter. New one coming in. Old one coming out. Okay, as you can see, brand new to you and me, 7.3 starter, remanufactured, thanks China. Whoever rebuilt this starter in China, they knew it wasn't gonna work. As you can see, they put the starter lug, which is the little one with the nut, right in front of that one. So you gotta take one off to get to the other, which is not like the other one. Sweet, okay. We got our little start wire hooked back up. Now we just gotta do the big old power wire, which is, needs to be closer. Oh yeah. Tighten back up. And then, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna skip the third starter bolt. I'm just gonna go straight to the first two. She's in there. Let's put batteries in her. Now this truck has been sitting for a while, probably like 5 years. I have heard it run, and then I heard it not run. So, who knows? Like, to be honest, this thing is a pretty weird truck. It is it's an automatic 4-wheel drive 97 model, and it's got a 2-wheel drive manual transmission in it. So we'll see how that works. No big sparks, which is good. Or bad. I don't know. Okay. 269,000 miles. Okay, she spins over. I do indeed have a computer for this. So that's what we're gonna do. It's kind of weird, there's nothing at all happening. Like, I don't hear any relays, I don't hear nothing going on. This is very concerning. You can't see it, but I'm doing things over here. No power, okay. Something isn't getting power. Like, I know for sure the main computer is not getting power. Throttle commander. Throttle sensitivity. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, I don't know what any of that means. Strobe master. Okay, I need to find the fuse that goes to the PCM and or IDM. I wonder which this one is, because that one is for sure blown. Big 50 amp fuse. Yeah, that hose for sure blown. That's not cool. Look how cool that is. They just jumped it with wire. That's special. Do we add more wire or do we just get a fuse? Alright, we're gonna do the same thing that they did, but I just want to see if it'll, you know, give me the wait to start light or something. I have the wait to start light. I'm gonna try and start it. This is sketchy, but like, it's okay. There's a fire extinguisher right there. So if it starts catching on fire, just do something about it. I don't know. Well, sweet. It's running. That's all I can really do to it today. I'm gonna get a fuse for it so we can figure out why it keeps blowing that fuse. And yeah, we'll see where this project goes. Injectors, tuner, I don't know. Let's get it moving first. It needs a clutch pedal. It goes all the way to the ground and that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching, if you watched the whole thing. Oh, yay.